Meta's secret plan to take over search. Google is terrified. Welcome to StartupHakk. Today we're diving into an emerging tech battle that could shake the core of search as we know it. Meta's surprising move into search engine space, aiming right at Google's throat. Yes, you heard that right. Meta is making a major stride in AI-powered search, and they're bringing nuclear-powered data centers and AI supercomputing along for the ride. Let's break down what this means for the tech industry and how Google might actually have a new giant competitor on its hands. So let's dive in. Welcome to StartupHakk. I'm Spencer Thomason, and here at StartupHakk, we love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps and build custom software solutions for companies. I do a lot of work as a fractional CTO. With over a decade of executive leadership and a solid 25 years in software development, I've mastered the art of transforming technology teams and products. All right, so Meta, the company best known for Facebook, Instagram, and its ambitious vision of metaverse, is quietly taking steps into the search engine space. With advancements in AI and the creation of nuclear-powered data center, and yep, you heard that, nuclear-powered data centers, they're planning to break Google's near monopoly on search. It's not just about adding another search option. This is Meta aiming to fundamentally change how we interact with search engines. So let's jump into how Meta's plans to reshape the future of search and what that means for everyone in the tech world. Now, Meta is diving into search with its AI-powered search engine that's been under development for months. This isn't your typical search engine. It's driven by advanced AI that's been quietly indexing the web, preparing for a launch that will rival Google and Bing. Imagine a search engine that's conversational, driven by AI, and tailored to Meta's vast knowledge of user preferences. Even if you're not on one of their platforms of Facebook or Instagram, Meta knows a lot about you. Google's dominance has long been unchallenged, but Meta might be the one to shake things up. If there's one thing we know about Meta, it's that they're not afraid of bold, disruptive moves. And if your company has systems that aren't connected, let us help you out. Here at StartupHakk, our specialty is connecting those systems to help your company work like a well-oiled machine. So check out startuphakk.com/Spencer or the links down below and we can help you out. Now, Google should be worried. Meta's search engine doesn't just compete. It brings unique advantages that Google can't easily replicate. Leveraging its massive user data across Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Meta Search could be a hyper-personalized offering result tailored to users' interests and preferences and behaviors. Think of it as a search experience that understands not just keywords, but your entire digital footprint. While Google has a stronghold on general search, Meta's approach could bring a new level of personalization that's hard to beat. This is about challenging Google's core business, and Meta has the tools to make a serious impact. Now, Meta's search engine is powered by cutting-edge AI, allowing it to understand context, intent, and user needs more deeply. And very few people have been spending on AI as much as Meta has been. Unlike a traditional search engine that focus on keywords, Meta's AI will make search more conversational, interpreting full sentences and complex questions. Imagine typing in a vague idea, and Meta's AI returns precise, relevant results with conversational twists. It's an entirely different way of experiencing search, where the machine learns your preferences and adapts. This is no ordinary search. It's the future of AI-driven knowledge discovery. Now, here's where it gets even more fascinating. Meta's exploring nuclear energy to power its AI and data centers. Yes, nuclear-powered data centers. This move would give Meta the energy resources to fuel the massive computing power required for their advanced AI search engine. It also would keep it clean and green. Nuclear energy provides the reliability and scalability that's hard to match, allowing Meta to sustain heavy AI workloads without interruption. But the journey hasn't been smooth. Environmental factors like rare bees have been impacting their nuclear data center plans. It's a quirky twist, but it shows that Meta's commitment to pushing the boundaries. Meta's entry into search isn't just competition. It's an overhaul of the search experience with AI at the center. They aim to provide an immersive, interactive search that doesn't just give you links, but also offers you insights, answers, and personalized suggestions. This isn't Google 2.0. It's something fundamentally different. Imagine getting recommendations based on your social media interactions or finding news that's tailored to your taste. It's a search engine that feels like a personal assistant built for the digital age where AI knows us better than we know ourselves sometimes. Now, Meta's long-term vision could integrate search into the metaverse, making it an immersive experience. Imagine searching for travel destinations and virtually visiting them in the metaverse, or searching for a product and interacting with it digitally before buying it. Google doesn't have this level of virtual integration, which could give Meta a unique edge. As the metaverse continues to grow, Meta could use its search engine as a bridge between the real and virtual world. This isn't just the future of search, it's the future of interaction. Now, with all this data at Meta's disposal, privacy is a natural concern. Meta claims it's working on privacy-centric search that respects users' data while delivering personalized results. However, Google has long held a reputation for being cautious with user data, and Meta's new approach may raise some eyebrows. As more users become privacy conscious, Meta's search will need to balance personalization with protection. If they can achieve that balance, it could redefine how we think about privacy in search. Now, Meta's vast repository of user data gives it an unparalleled advantage in personalizing search results. Unlike Google, which relies heavily on search history, Meta can integrate real data from social media, user preferences, and interactions across its platforms. This level of insight means that Meta's search engine could feel more intuitive, anticipating users' needs based on their online habits. For advertisers and content creators, this could be a goldmine, but for users, it's about getting results that genuinely resonate with your interest. Now, hey, speaking of connected systems, if your company's tech stack is a bit disjointed, let StartupHakk come in and fix it. We specialize in connecting systems and optimizing workflows so you can focus on what really matters. Head over to startuphakk.com/Spencer and see how we can help. Now, Google is likely watching Meta's search development very closely, and for good reason. Google has dominated the search market for years, but Meta's unique approach presents a real challenge. We might see Google step up its AI game or even explore new features to retain its user base. The competition between Meta and Google could drive incredibly innovation in the tech space, giving users more options and better search experiences. This battle isn't just about search, it's about the future of how we find and interact with information online. Now, for developers, Meta's search engine could mean new opportunities and challenges, especially in fields like AI, data science, and privacy. If Meta succeeds, there could be a growing demand for developers who understand AI-driven search algorithms and data privacy protocols. This shift in search technology might also lead to new open-source projects and API developments and integration needs. Now, .NET developers in particular could find new ways to contribute to this evolving space, making it an exciting time to be in tech. Now, AI is no longer a futuristic concept. It's here and shaping our daily interactions. Meta's AI-driven search is just the beginning, and this technology will likely become standard across many platforms. As developers, we need to think about AI and how it can be applied to simplify user interactions, whether in search engines, software, or mobile apps. This trend is only growing, and Meta's search engine is a clear indication that AI is taking center stage in our tech landscape. Now, as Meta steps up and to take on Google, we're witnessing a shift in one of the oldest corners of the internet, search. It's an exciting time for developers, users, and businesses alike. As Meta bold moves could open up new pathways for innovation, we should take note. Whether you're a .NET developer or just a tech enthusiast, keeping an eye on Meta's journey in search could give you a front row seat to one of the biggest tech battles in recent history. The future of search is more than just finding information. It's about creating an experience that feels like it's made just for you. Now, what are your thoughts? Do you agree? Do you disagree? I love having a great discussion, so make sure to leave a comment down below and make sure to like and subscribe. Here at StartupHakk, we'd love to train software developers in our licensed coding boot camps, as well as build custom software solutions for companies. So reach out because we'd love to help. Check out startuphakk.com today.